Perfect pancakes to me are fluffy, soft, well cooked, and able to soak up a buttery sweet syrup. And they're made at home. Chances are you have all the ingredients you need in your pantry. Before reaching for a boxed pancake mix, try this recipe out at least once. Here are the tips that make it foolproof. Mix all of your wet ingredients first along with the sugar. The butter and egg first, give that a whisk, and then add in the milk and give that a whisk. Then you add the sugar and then give that a whisk. By the end of this, whisking is going to be second nature to you. We add the sugar into the wet so that it dissolves into the mixture. Prep always makes this go so much faster. Now you're adding all the dry ingredients to your bowl, so it's just the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Bring the wet to the dry, and then you're going to start mixing this. I find using a whisk allows me not to overmix the mixture. You definitely don't want to see dry flour, so you go from this to this, and you're just about ready. When it looks like this, it's time to use a scooper and put it onto a pan. Keep your pan low, and then you're going to take out half a cup and spread it onto your pan. Spread it out as thick or thin as you desire. We all wonder when to flip, and that's when these bubbles start popping. It doesn't hurt to sneak peek a look at the underside, and this is absolutely perfect. I take a sneak peek, kind of like this, looking at the bottom, and then I just flip it on over.